Now, if you guys are curious if you can put this in the trunk. Oh my God. What's up guys, this is your boy John. We are back again here with another video. As a car dad, a Tesla dad especially, we have something for the kids. The Tesla balance bike for kids. And it comes in this cool little black box. And no graphics on the side. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing. So this is something that my kids love to play with. I have a almost 4-year-old, and she likes to ride one of these balance bikes. And I have a 1-year-old, so they'll be able to transition. The 1-year-old can ride this, and the almost 4-year-old can ride the Tesla. So when you're unboxing this, of course the packaging is super nice. Oh. And it comes almost assembled. Now this one is a little bit bougie, but you can kind of see here is the product. I know it's made out of magnesium, a lot of plastic right here, but the frame's magnesium. Tires do have air in it, so a little cushiony. And instead of like a 4-wheeler, it's a 2-wheeler. So they're gonna have to kind of balance a little bit better, which is perfect for someone who's a little bit older. We got the handlebars right here. Nothing else in the box. It's pretty bare bones. Packaging was really nice. A lot of cardboard, quite a bit of plastics. Handlebars, there's grips on the bottom. And it says, if you want to zoom in, it says, "Don't panic." So, interesting, don't panic. You got the Tesla logo right here, and it says 0 emissions, and it's powered by a human. And it looks like there's a screw right here. Pretty sure I need to unscrew this, and then put this bad boy in here. This is what makes sense to me. And then screw that screw back in. There's some thread locker on there. Of course, I'm using everything by hand right now. And it's already on to the races. The padding is really nice. Ooh, it's interesting how it has this little slit right here. You can tell, I didn't see that in the pictures. Let's see what's inside this box right here. So there are some tools you could use. So some Allen keys, a lot of Allen keys, which I'm kind of surprised. Looks like a cap for the top of the steering handle. Right here. And I guess you can tighten this right now. Kind of interesting how they include so many, considering you really just need this one thing to assemble it. And you put that, let's have the T face forward. Oh, well, looks like you put it at an offset and then you kind of tighten it. Something like that. Interesting. Oh, there you go. You can pop it in and screw it in. There you go. Tighten it like that. So now the T is facing forward. But yeah, you get your little instruction kit, and that's it. This uses a regular valve stem that you find everywhere, and you want to pump these tires to 35 psi. Same with the rears, and this seat is actually adjustable, so depending on your rider you can increase the height, and there's another level, locks into place, so someone who's a little bit taller like myself can ride it in this position. And there are no valve stem caps for what I have. You can also see some tire information right here. Very cool.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
All right, final thoughts on the Tesla balance bike for kids. My daughter loves it. I don't want to show her in the camera too much, so that's why she didn't ride it. It's a little too difficult for her since it's not 4 wheels, but as she hits 4, it won't be a problem. If she learns to, it takes a while for them to learn their balance, so balance bike. So she'll be able to nail it down. As far as from my perspective, aesthetically, it's really beautiful. The tires are nice. Handling feels great. The build quality is solid. I don't like how there's no valve stem caps. I kind of hope that it could use a kickstand. That way you can prop it up. Otherwise, you're going to be leaning against something or it's going to fall down a lot. So it's going to take a lot of damage. It's going to get scratched up. But yeah, overall, it's meant for kids, obviously. And it's going to get damaged. Do you want to keep it as an aesthetic piece for your garage or the way it looks? Because it looks so good. Just know that it's going to get scuffed up because, well, I couldn't lean it against anything. Even in my garage, the wheels started to move even when it's leaned against something. Here on the grass, a little bit more friction on the tires, no problem. But if you guys were interested, this is on the Tesla store. And sometimes it's limited to stuff, so get it while you can if you do like it. But, I mean, I wouldn't get it if you don't have kids. But for me, it's very expensive, but it's a cool product. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.